Hello there. If I were you, I would stick around for this one. The all-new AMG SL was revealed not so long ago. It looks stunning, and the engine part will also tell the same story. See for yourself, have fun, and tell me afterwards what you think of this new member of the Mercedes clan. In terms of design, the new AMG SL is set to replace the AMG Roadster, but chassis and body are completely different to one another. The AMG SL looks bigger and wider, and that's because it is. It looks like a big bull but trimmed off near the top. Then the base level gets 19-inch alloys, and they go up to 21s in the top level car. Then look here at the back, we get quad exhaust pipes, but to see if they are real, we have to wait till the car comes out. Also, the car gets this new fold-in spoiler. It reminds me of the Mercedes S-Class. The coupe version of the S-Class, I mean. Not a bad car to be compared to. Okay, now here's the interior, or better the few pics we can show you at the moment. We see that we get a 2-screen infotainment system, and the screens are really big, but one for the driver and one for the rest. Also, the big screen in the middle here can adjust its angle so that when you drive roof off and the sun is burning down on you, you can still see what's going on the screens. These big leather seats are well known for Mercedes lovers, but here they come with built-in neck warmers. Again, that sounds like something I didn't know I needed. Last thing before we go over the engine, the new AMG SL comes as a 4-seater, only thing that you can't use the back seats other than for a shopping bag or something. Okay, here's the juicy part of the video. We know by now of 2 different engines that will be in the new AMG SL. Firstly, the SL55 or the SL63 will both have a twin-turbo V8 petrol engine. The SL55 will make 476 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, and will do 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds with a top speed of 183 mph. The SL63 will do 585 horsepower and 800 Nm with a 0 to 60 time of 3.6 seconds, and a top speed of 196 miles. That's a bit more serious. And then there will be a hybrid version, which we don't know much about it, but it will use a lot of tech from the new AMG GT 4-door e-performance car. That's a long name, but it's a fully electric beast, I have to say. Video here in your upper right corner. Okay, to the features now please. Like I said, everything is new in here. The AMG SL doesn't use any parts from the old SL or Roadster, not one. The roof is made out of 3 layers of fabric, and so it's 21 kilos lighter than the old one. It can be operated up to a speed of 37 miles per hour. The SL63 gets the new yellow brake kit. Do get this one if you want, just a quick tip for me. Adaptive dampers and rear wheel steering are standard here, as well as 5 different driving modes, like Slippery, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and Individual. A heads-up display is also standard, as in nearly every other car. And now the price, It will go on sale in March 2022, and the base version will be available for 100,000 euros. That's if you don't get crazy with all the extra options. Okay then, here we are. How about this new AMG SL? I like it very much, although I don't like convertibles so much. This one is very bully-like, very big and wide. It looks good, that's what I wanna say. How about you? Tell me, have a great day, and as always, keep it fluid.